Are you tired of lagging in Mobile Legends? In this video, I will show you the most effective way to fix lag. Make sure you are connected to a strong and stable network. Then open your mobile settings. Scroll down and find the display option. Tap on display option. Then go to motion smoothness. Here set it to maximum. Now go back to the game. Then tap on game settings. Here click on custom. Here enable ultra option in the high frame rate section. Then set resolution to low power or standard. Low power would be the best choice. Turn off shadow and screen shake option if your device has lower RAM. Before starting a match, close all background apps and clear MLBB cache regularly. And don't connect in wireless devices like Bluetooth earphone while you are playing. Drop a comment if this video helped you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more MLBB tips. Thank you.